So right here, you can see how the page look like. If you click on the link that is in the description, it actually bring you right here. So all you need to do is just to put your email address, put your password, confirm your password right here, and click on this sign up right here. And you can also sign up with your Google account. You can also sign up with your Facebook. So as you can see, I put cash back in your wallet. So you can watch this 43 seconds video right here, and you can see right here that this is featured on BuzzFeed, Save the Students, the Penny Order, ABC, the Huffington Post. So as you can see, I get free gift card and cash for everyday things you do online. So this is a very legitimate app to make money online. So you can see they give free Walmart, Amazon, PayPal, and others. So you can redeem your points for gift card to the favorite retailer like Amazon and Walmart, or get cashback from PayPal. So if I just go to Trustpilot, I will just go to Trustpilot so that you see whether I'm actually telling you the truth. So right on Trustpilot, this a site where people come and write review about a website or an app. So right here, you can see that this Swagbucks right here have 65% reviews, excellent. You can see that this one great, this have 18% average. You can see average right here 8%. You can see poor 3%. You can see bad 6%. To tell that this is a great app, 65% excellent. So if you come down right here and to check what people are saying about this application, and say I love Swagbucks. It's a great application to save money on your purchases and also do survey for the gift card. I highly recommend this application. Lot of phones. So you can see that's an interesting experience. This one say it's too bad that Canadians can't participate. So this one is from Canadians, say it's too bad for Canadians. This one say I love Swagbucks. This one say 100% rate. So this one can say I have never had a problem cashing out with my Swagbucks. So you can see that this one, you can do right. You can see this one say you really credit me with bias. So you can do right. This one say only half a day in two weeks, $100 made so far. So this one I love Swagbucks. So if you can do right, you can see that people are writing. And this one say Swagbucks is really great. You enjoy what you do and earn at the same time. Thank you. So you can see that people are saying good about this site. So this is a great site to make money online. So alright, I'm gonna walk you through how you can sign up and start making money with this site. So stick with me at the end of this video, subscribe and turn on the notification. So right here, all you need to do is just put your email address right here, put your password right here, confirm your password right here. After that, you click on this sign up right here. So after signing up, all you need to do is just to go and verify your email address, because anytime you create a free account, you need to verify your email address. So what you need to do is just go and verify your email address. So after that, so you're gonna actually bring you right here. This is what the home page is gonna look like. So as you can see right here, I already have 46 SB here, Swagbucks here. So which is, if you convert it to be like 46 cents right here. So you can earn, as you can see right here, you can complete offers and earn. This one right here is 500 SB. If you convert it to dollar, it will be like $5 right here. This one 4,000 SB. If you complete this one 4,000 MB. So if I come right here, you can see right here answer survey and earn. So you can click right here. So it will actually bring you right here. So you can see the right here that you have answered. So the right here you have answered all these questions we have for now. So I've already do survey right here and earn money. So right here you can also click right here where they say open. If you click right here to bring it right here, so it's actually loading. It's loading. Right, you can do as you can see right here, answer peanut lab surveys. So you can answer surveys right here and earn money, but I don't want to go much further like that. So let me just go back right here. So right here you can answer, as you can see right here, answer today's poll. So every day you be getting one SB. When you answer right here, do you have a goal to receive for both logs? So right here, I don't really know the answer, but let me just say yes, I have four right here, and vote and one SB right here. So you can see this one. You can see that it have added right here to 47. So you can do all manner of, you can do bunch of work right here, earn money. And you can, if you come right here, you can go to this referral right here. So you can see that I have one referral right here. So you can see right here, you can invite friends. If you click on invite right here, refer friends and family and earn 10% of their earning for life. So I'll be leaving the link in the description. So if you sign up with my link, you'll be getting bonus. So the link will be down there in the description so that you get the bonus. So all you need to do is just to come right here and copy your address right here. So you can see right here, copy your address right here. Anyone you give, anyone that sign up, you'll be earning 10% of their earnings. So and you can do other jobs. If you come right here, you can see, you just come right here, discover right here, you can discover home game, you can play games, sign ups. So if you click on more right here, you can see you can play games, you can watch videos, other a bunch of work right here and earn money. So if I actually give you a value in this video, all you need to do for me is just to subscribe to my channel. That's all you need to do for me. Just smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification. So the time I drop a video, YouTube actually give you a notification that I've actually dropped a video. So don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification. Thank you for